Let's talk about page window and pasteboard. The horizontal line of document tabs is called our document window, and whole white area represents our document, and all the area surrounding this document is our pasteboard. Let me show you more closely what the pasteboard is. Press Alt and scroll down in order to see pasteboard. There you go. This area around the document is our pasteboard. This area is used to keep our assets during the working on document. Temporarily, we can place our objects here or here that we hope to use in the future. Let me show you. What if I have a triangle and I want to use it a bit later? I can place it here on my pasteboard, but it can't cross the edges of pasteboard in any sense. You can see, right? If you dare to cross the edges of pasteboard, your object would disappear like this. So be careful about this. Now let me tell you again. This is our document window. This is our page, and the area around it is our paste, and the whole environment is our document window. In the next lecture, we will talk about multiple document windows.